Hello students, this is the video just to explain you about paper style. Okay, in this video I will explain you the translation of paper style and how to complete paper on time. Okay, section A, I'll translate into English. Section A is of 16 marks. That is question number 1 to question number 16. That is match the following true false, one or two word answer, fill in the blanks and MCQs. Okay, then section B. Now in section B, question number 17 up to 26. That means there are total 10 questions. Each carry 2 marks. So altogether it is of 20 marks. Where explain the sentence, explain about any person, identify the geographical place, explain the terms, write the answer of some situational based question. Now here you will get option. There will be 4 questions which is or, means there are total 4 questions in which you have a option available, so you will get a choice. Then come section C, question number 27 up to 34. Total 8 questions, each of which 3 marks, so altogether 24 marks, where it may ask about give the difference, explain the sentence, give reasons, explain the following terms. Okay, then come section D. Now in section D it will be question number 35 up to 39. Now remember, section C you will get option in 3 questions, and section D you will get option in 2 questions. So here altogether you have a 5 questions, each of which 4 marks, and that is of 20 marks. Map work is compulsory. Question number 39. Map work is compulsory. Okay, so this is your paper style. I repeat, it is tentative paper style. I don't know what will be the paper and all. I don't know anything about it, but it is just paper style, and it's not available in English. So I decide that let me explain you in English. Okay, now let us go for how to complete the paper. Based on what I explained the section, let's discuss how you are able to complete the paper. Okay, so we have a total, we have total 3 hours, that is 180 minutes. Okay, now section A, total 16 question. Okay, you need to complete all these 16 question in 10 minutes, because first 15 minutes, 15 minutes, you can able to remember all the answers of all the objective type of questions. So when the bell rang and when it announced start writing the answer, okay, you have to complete writing in 10 minutes. Directly write the answer. For God's sake, don't write the question. Directly write the answer. Then along with this, section D, map work of 4 marks. This is of 16 marks. Map work of 4 marks you can complete in 5 minutes. So altogether it is 15 minutes. Okay, then come section B. Now in section B what happened? Section B you have total 10 question. Okay, each of them is of 2 marks, and time you can allocate every question you need to complete in 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, I repeat, per question you can allot 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So altogether it will be over in 53 minutes. Clear? Now what happened? After that it goes for section C. Now section C, you have 8 questions in which each of them carry out 3 marks, and you have to allot 7 minutes. So here it goes for 56 minutes. Then come section D. Now listen carefully. In section D we have total 5 questions, but one question of section D we complete over here. So here remaining questions are what? Remaining questions are only 4 questions. I repeat, actually section D, that is 5 questions, but one we cover up over here. So now it is only 4 questions. Per answer you allot 12 minutes. Okay. Here every question is of 4 marks. So it go for 48 minutes. Now if you go for totaling of all these minutes, it goes for 172 minutes. Time given to you, that is 180 minutes. So 180 minutes minus 170 minutes. So still you have 8 minutes where you can read your paper and you can do needful whatever you want. Alright. The game changer part is this. This is the game changing part. If you complete in even less than 15 minutes, then it is your victory. Time management is in your hand. And see, in first 15 minutes, 15 minutes, try to remember all the answers and prepare yourself that in map where you will point out what. So what happens when the bell rang? You should be very fast. Okay. So if here you take less time, then it can be helpful over here or here or here. Alright. So this is the time schedule. Okay. And papers also I explain. Still, if you have any confusion, you can ask me in comment section. Okay. So everyone, wish you all the best. I pray to Almighty God your difficulties will remove and you will score well. God bless you everyone. Thank you.